Hello class, this is HectorSimpson and this is my IT 415 final presentation. For my topic, I chose vehicle unit sales in the United States. One of the reasons I chose this was when I was thinking of a project to do, I thought about something that I enjoy doing and things that I like, and one of those things is cars. I like working on cars, modifying cars, customizing cars, things like that. So I figured if I could find something related to that, it would make the project fun. So I found data on vehicle sales in the U.S. and decided that'd be a good way to present some information. As for the tool that I chose a visualization tool from Google named the Motion Chart. Basically presents a moving timeline and gives you the option to plot different axes on the same graph. I used this tool in the first project when I was first learning how to use different visualization tools. So I figured if I could use it again now at a higher level, I could use it at a better advantage. So as I mentioned, I used this tool before, so the learning process wasn't that bad. I had a good experience with it before. I kind of looked at the help files and stuff that Google presents, and then I was able to just manipulate the JavaScript and use that code to present the new data for this project. As for the data, I found data from the Wall Street Journal. I also found data from a website called Autodata Corporation. Basically, it was a big chart of just numbers and different things, a lot more information than I really needed. So what I did was I went through and I found the data that would help me out for my project, and then I took that data and I turned it into a useful information source. So I made my own tables using the data that I found. That way I could import that into the visualization. And this is the website. So as far as the visualization goes, I will present that right now. This is it. It's a chart, basically. You can present it as a linear function or as a logarithmic function. You can plot different axes on here. It's also a moving timeline, as I mentioned, so when you hit play, it shows you the movement in sales, how it's increasing or decreasing along the timeline. You can also display this information as a bar graph, which is nice. Or you could also use a line chart. I like using the dot method. So anyways, from here you can actually, there are different couple of options on here. You can change it by type. So here it shows you a blue dot is sales for all vehicles. The yellow dot is a pickup truck. The green is an SUV, or the pink is like a car. So it's nice that it shows you information, and then based on what kind of vehicle it is, you hover over it, it tells you what kind of vehicle it is. You can also do it by clicking here. It lets you select certain vehicles that you can find information on. You also have the option to view it in a spectrum where it shows you different colors or different higher or lower numbers of sales. And what I learned from this was, looking at this, General Motors and Ford, two American domestic companies, are the ones leading sales. As you can see, 660,000, 587,000, but not far behind is Toyota, Nissan, and Honda, or other non-American companies. But it was just very interesting learning all the different sales numbers in the US. Looks like Americans prefer to buy American-made cars. And that's my presentation. Thanks for watching.